Okay everybody, welcome back. Today I'll be cooking up, or showing you how to create a dark bell sort of melody. So I've got two omnispheres loaded up, both with different sounds. Got this first one. Now it doesn't sound too much like a bell, but it is, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, luxurious bell. But I just thought, because when I play some chords and then the higher notes on top of it, like this. I could definitely layer that under some proper bells. So here's the actual bell I've got. So pretty soft with a big sort of pad sound layered on top of it inside the actual sample. So I'm going to come to this snare pattern, I'm going to mute it, I'm here, stamp, minor 7th, and then put it on maybe D sharp. And what I'm going to do is select this, send it down one, send it up another, that should be fine. Then I'll come into the omnisphere and put down some root notes. That's sounding good. I'll turn these into chords by going 1. So on the white notes here, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2. Do that again here. So that's sounding sort of happy right now. Definitely gonna add some more stuff to switch that up. So, gonna select these middle notes, duplicate them and bring them up an octave. Then select these root notes and bring them down an octave. I'm just going to pitch this around up and down octaves, see what it sounds like. I think it's fine just like this. Now I'm going to copy and paste this into the other omnisphere, see what that's sounding like. I think you can do without these bass notes. And now what I'm going to do, come back to this snare pattern, select all of these, duplicate 1, 2, 3 up, so it's all in key there. I'm going to solder this omnisphere and place down some melodic notes. I'm going to go into omnisphere, open up another one, and try and find something I can layer with this top melody. I'm liking how that's sounding right now, so I'm going to go into the effects and see what else I can do. I reckon a half time is going to be my best friend here. Bit of reverb, maybe a bit of supermassive, Valhalla supermassive, and I'll see what else I can do. So I think I've got it sounding good now. I'm gonna render as audio clip. And I'm probably going to add some effects to the whole thing now. So we'll see what that's going to sound like. Hang on, it's gone a bit longer because I did some panning and it messed something up. I panned these chords, and because that thing's there, it just makes it a bit longer. Doesn't matter. Here's what it's sounding like now. First thing I'm going to do, add some reverb. Very nice. Take away some of the lows, I reckon, next. Cool. Now, I might open up a Deep Blue glitch and see what I can do with this. Okay, so what I've done with this glitch, I set it to shuffler for the whole thing because I couldn't find any others that worked. Turn the gain and mix down a bit, turn the range down, and then I've got it at about 65% here. Then a lot of delay at half, reverb, half time again. This is automated to come on the second part. And then another EQ just to cut out the lows and boost the mids. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. I'll catch you later.